Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. People all over are tuning in for their nightly entertainment. Let's see what they're listening to. Of course, Morris Money. No reason to pay. Subscribe for free so you can always tune in. Today, I'm talking about if you should buy Jumia Technology, an e-commerce company similar to Amazon that's big in Africa, but like majority of tech growth companies has been beaten down this year. Jumia Technology is an Africa-focused e-commerce company that also operates in the financial technology and logistic arenas. Africa is forecast to eclipse 500 million e-commerce users by 2025, equal to a compound annual growth rate of 17%. But what's mind-boggling is that such a projection only represents a 40% penetration rate on the continent. Thus, it's beyond doubt the long-term potential of Jumia's business is through the roof. The company delivered its second quarter earnings report on August 10th, a little while back. That resulted in a nearly 20% spike in the stock price. Even so, the African e-commerce stock is still down 68% since going public in 2019. So it's not too late for investors to hop on board. On that note, let's look at Jumia's existing situation to help determine if it's a deserving investment right now. In its second quarter outing, the e-commerce business grew total sales by 42.5% year over year to $57.3 million. Other key operating metrics improved as well. Active customers increased 25.9% to 3.4 million, and total orders rose 35.5% to finish at 10.3 million. Gross merchandise volume, GMV, which indicates the total volume of all goods sold on the platform, also climbed 21.3% to $271.1 million. There is one caveat to consider, however. The company endured an EBITDA loss of $57.2 million during the quarter. Operating losses are nothing new for Jumia, but management does seem optimistic about the company's future. Although it reiterated guidance for an adjusted EBITDA loss between $200 million and $220 million for the full year, executives stated that its largest quarterly losses are in the past and that 2023 should be a markedly better year on the profitability front. Meanwhile, total payment volume from its Jumia Pay business surged 31.1% year over year to $74.2 million, and the number of transactions increased 25.9% to $3.4 million. Starting in fiscal 2023, Jumia Pay will generate off-platform payment processing revenue via third-party merchants. This is a major catalyst to watch for and certainly an enormous opportunity for Jumia's overall business considering the sizable addressable market of Africa's mobile payment industry. So, could it be a smart idea to buy Jumia? Rightfully so. The primary concern investors have about Jumia is its ability to become a profitable business in the long run. Up to this point, management has ramped up spending in order to grow the business, but it seems like the company's biggest quarterly losses are in the past. Progress is being made, and although it may take some time, investors who buy at today's levels could enjoy massive gains down the road. It doesn't come with little risk, however. The e-commerce company currently has $350.8 million in cash equivalents, and investments, so it has bought itself sufficient time before needing additional funding. That said, it's crucial that Jumia continues to expand its business while cutting its costs in the coming quarters. Given its latest upturns, enormous market potential, and thinning stock price, I believe Jumia carries a favorable risk-reward profile today. Jumia is certainly an interesting opportunity. Now, there are some things to consider, like Amazon looking to expand its business into Africa, but Jumia has somewhat of a first mover's advantage here. They've already been in the market, and it's a company that the people know well. That's like AliExpress trying to compete with Amazon within the United States. It's doing a good job, but it's not going to overtake the market leader. Now, I originally saw Jumia back around this time last year at the peak of growth stocks, and it was trading around $40 or so. So to see it in the $7 range is definitely an interesting opportunity for me and investors alike. But let me know what you think about this below. Jumia is certainly an interesting investment for me, but what about you? How do you feel about the company, the market potential, and do you see the stock being a long-term winner? Let me know below. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.